Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're making a rich creamy tuna pasta Alfredo. Let's dive right in. In a pan over medium heat, add a quarter cup of butter and 3 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté until that amazing garlic aroma fills the kitchen. Now toss in a quarter cup of thinly diced bell peppers, any color you like. Keep stirring for about a minute to soften them up and bring out their natural sweetness. Next, pour in 1 1/4 cups of heavy cream, followed by 1 1/4 cups of milk. Stir well and bring it to a gentle boil. This is where the creamy magic begins. Once it starts bubbling, add 200 grams of drained tuna and a quarter cup of sliced black olives. Stir it all together for another minute to let the flavors mingle. Then, add half a cup of grated cheddar cheese and give it a good mix until the cheese melts and everything becomes beautifully creamy. Turn off the heat, and now it's time to bring in the pasta. Add 300 grams of cooked spaghetti straight into the pan. Gently toss everything together until the pasta is fully coated in that delicious sauce. Season with a touch of salt and black pepper to taste. Now serve it up while it's hot, and don't forget to sprinkle some more grated cheddar cheese on top for that extra indulgent finish. There you have it, creamy, cheesy, and absolutely irresistible tuna pasta Alfredo. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more heavenly dishes, and share this with someone who loves pasta as much as you do. See you next time on Heaven's Kitchen.